Hey guys, today we'll talk about the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and I will talk about also about the non-farm payrolls because the U.S. economic data will have a big impact also on the Canadian dollar and also on the Japanese yen. So I will talk about new potential shorts on this market. Read disclaimer here, please read it. It's important to understand the risks. So let's take a look. Later today, guys, we'll have the US Canadian data, yeah, unemployment rate, employment change, yeah, Canadian economic data as high impact events, and also the US non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate. Okay, these should bring high volatility and sharp movements on all markets, in my opinion, and that's why yeah, it's risky to trade during the economic data dump, but personally I will talk about this market here, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and maybe and probably I will try to take action to place a new trade right after the economic data here on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. As you can see here, personally I still have the previous and the former setup here. Personally today I decided to manage my position here after reaching actually 106.99. After reaching that level, and yeah, I've made a nice profit, yeah, around 150 pips on this setup here, and right now I'm looking for something else, guys. I'm looking for something else. I've decided to manage my position and to close my position here, only because yeah, it's risky maybe to keep a trade during the economic data. Anything could happen, guys, because better than expected Canadian data could yeah, could force the Canadian dollar to appreciate, and maybe the price could turn to the upside, maybe, yeah. And the person I've decided to take profit and to wait for potential retreats, rebounds, bounce back, and then to look for new short opportunities, because in my opinion, yeah, after this massive sell-off, we cannot exclude a rebound, a bounce back. Okay, also here Williams or Stochastic or RSI are showing maybe on oversold in the short term. So temporary rebounds, guys, coming back to retest the immediate resistance levels or supply zones could bring us new selling opportunities. And also here, guys, on the 4-hour chart, it has reached the demand zone, an order block, yeah, and that's why, guys, that's why a rebound is natural in the short term. But personally, I will keep an eye on lower time frames, because, as I've said, temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities. And if the Canadian data will come in worse than expected, yeah, and also if the US will report poor economic data as well, then in my opinion the Canadian dollar, the Japanese yen should take the lead and could drag the price down. Okay, so if the Canadian and the US indicators will report yeah, maybe worse than expected data, poor data, then most likely the Japanese yen should dominate the currency market. Yeah, the Japanese yen could take the lead, could appreciate versus all its rivals. And here, guys, as I've said, temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities, and also maybe a new lower low here could signal a potential deeper drop. Okay, deeper drop, and only because yen basket. Let's take a look. Yen basket. I talked about the yen basket also in today's market breakdown video, and I said that yeah, rally, retreat, rally, and after this new rally, a retreat was natural before maybe extending its growth towards this maybe this level here, 7,080, and towards maybe the former high. Okay, and in my opinion, and in the short term, the bias remains bullish here on this market, on the yen basket, and potential further growth and upside continuation here should force the Japanese yen to dominate the currency market. Okay. One moment, I want to add the first warning line. The price failed to hit the warning line here. It has retested the upper medium line. So as long as it stays here, it could extend its growth, and further growth here should lift the Japanese yen. Okay, guys. This is my opinion about the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. A nice profit today on this market, and personally, actually, I've placed this for I've had a pending order in Canadian dollar Japanese yen since last week. Okay, because the price moved sideways, but when it has made a new lower low here, then boom. Okay, right now I'm looking for something else, and I really hope that I will be able to catch a potential downside continuation on this market. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.